Hi friends, welcome back. What is it like to be a foreigner in your home country? हैं चलो देखें वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लो ताकि आपको हमारे सारे न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएं जैसे हम अपलोड करें।
अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
This is my home. If I had a choice, I wouldn't go back to Italy or move anywhere else.
Meet Alice,
Italy
an Italian
say.
who moved to India at the age of 2 and has lived there ever since. Together with her Indian partner, she runs an Italian restaurant in Goa. Alice shares why she feels more free in India than Europe, whether the concept of privacy exists in India, and what the hidden dating scene in India looks like. I'm Max Chernov, your insider to Expat Live. Ciao!
Goa में समुंदर बहुत अच्छा है. Beaches. The beaches are very nice. The beaches in Goa are very nice. I think that's my favorite thing about Goa. No matter where, what, when, why, the beaches will be my favorite thing about Goa. Yes.
Right,
And
right.
I think the freedom that you get with living in Goa, you know?
Freedom.
Freedom.
In many ways. I
Because
guess,
I'm
yeah.
privileged, so I have
Yeah.
my own car, I have my own bike, and I work. I have my own business.
Yeah.
So if you are sorted like this, you can do a lot of things. Like very frequently we go to the north, we enjoy our nights in the north, we spend a weekend. Just recently I went to a resort in South Goa, spent 2 days there with a friend. So in Europe maybe doing things like this is a little difficult because you can't take days off as easily, or they're very expensive, so you need to be able to afford these kind of things. In Goa you can still get away with doing things for a bit less. Again, the luxury of taking your car and going to the beach. You can spend the whole day there at a shack, spend 200 rupees for some fruit juice, and you can stay there the whole day. In Italy you need to spend I don't know how many euros, 50-60 euros for a bed.
Yeah.
You know, it's different.
It's different, yeah.
It's different. This is my home.
Yeah.
I don't think I would, if I had a choice, I wouldn't go back to Italy or move anywhere else.
Yeah.
Because the life in Goa is wonderful. You have everything. You can work. You have work opportunity. No matter what you do, there's always something that you can do with your life. You have amazing weather, other than the humidity, but that's okay. I mean, you can handle it.
Yeah.
You have the beach. You know, there's tourism, and there's I think the
Italy
area
में तो
that we live in,
beaches हैं.
Majorda, it's close to the wild, and it's also close to the city. So like I took 50 minutes to reach here. So I mean, it's not too bad. You know,
Yeah.
you're in the middle of
That's good.
everything. You know,
Yeah.
and at the same time you can also earn some money and work. You know, make
Yeah.
a life out of yourself.
99% of people never bring their ideas to life. Think about how many amazing human stories and experiences could be shared through videos on YouTube, social media, or in movies. But people either do this video. With NVIDIA AI, you can like traditional video tools, hundreds of dollars. What people don't get to understand about the country.
I think the biggest misconception in Europe is that they are different than everybody else. You know, the Indians, they want what every other nation
Yeah.
wants: a good economy, good healthcare, good
Yeah.
everything else. And the things that fascinate Europeans is a part of the Indian culture, yes, but India is changing way too fast. And we forget this sometimes. You know, like my mom, for example, she's very in love with the spiritual side of India, but she doesn't know that the new generation, they're not spiritual at all. Because like all my friends, maybe they go to church, yes, on Sundays, but other than that, there's nothing more.
Yeah, more pragmatic.
Yes, exactly. People are becoming more
More down
pragmatic.
to earth.
Exactly,
Also.
and they want to make a career out of themselves. You know, they are more career oriented, more materialistic in a way, which is, I mean,
Yeah, it is what it is.
it is what it is. That's the thing. I feel like maybe people come here with an expectation that everything is
It's spiritual.
yes, it is more than the West for sure.
Yeah.
But Goa, no. Maybe again in places like Khajuraho where there's the erotic temples. Maybe yes. Maybe somewhere in places like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, in certain areas it's a little more religious.
Yeah.
Yes, I know many Hindu families also who pray every day. They go to the temple. Yes, but that's different than what the West expects. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I feel like that's one very important thing that people forget. Indians have a concept that foreigners, they are a bit wild because they see them like even from the way they dress. Like for example, in a city like Panjim, I've
Misconception.
seen many people maybe go, which I'm fine with. I'm the first person that says you should be able to wear what you want when you want.
Yeah.
But roaming in a bikini in a city like Panjim, maybe it might not be the best idea. When you're a traditionalist and you see a white chick roaming around with a bikini in Panjim,
Yeah.
and you immediately assume, okay, wait, all foreign women are like this. You know,
Correct.
you
So
know what I mean?
you're not supposed to be in a bikini.
No, I mean, again, for people like me, and there are many
Which
Goans
is fine, but I mean,
who
you
wouldn't
also
care.
have to respect like the majority of
Yes,
people
yes.
who lives in the area.
Yes, yes, yes. But I think maybe many people go one step further and they're very traditionalist. So they start judging and insulting and believing and generalizing and believing that everyone is like this. You know what I mean? It's like when you see a loud Indian somewhere in Europe and you're like, oh look, all Indians are very
वो
loud.
तो होता है
Yeah.
Which is not true. Not
Yeah.
all of them.
जहाँ
are,
जाओ
but
वहाँ के
but
बन के
the
रहना
percentage,
पड़ता है,
yes.
उसके हिसाब से
Also
चलो।
depends where you're from, because once you live in India, you learn that people from Delhi are very loud, people from Punjab are very loud, but not necessarily all people.
loud तो नहीं है।
I've met many
मैं तो
Goans who are
ये
very
loud है।
soft-spoken, like you have to ask them things. they
साला
find
दिल्ली के भी
until
पंजाब के भी
they're
दोनों का नाम
excuse
लेते
me,
हैं।
No, exactly. It's always is bad to generalize.
Yes.
Loud तो होता है ना, मौज मस्ती, जोर जोर से
I remember a story
हंसना
that my mom
करना
told me
तो
when
होता
she
ही
was
है।
one of the first years of the restaurant. She used to go to the beach every morning, and the restaurant was on the road to the beach. So obviously, after going to the beach, she would put her sarong, like her dress, and she would work in the kitchen like this without having a shower, without dressing up, with formal clothes. And I remember that the cleaning lady said, I don't wear a bikini here. I wear a bikini if I go to another beach somewhere else, far away, where my family cannot see me. Y'all, it's okay. No, y'all are foreigners. It's okay. So that's the thing. They keep us in a separate category. They're like, oh, she's a foreigner. It's okay. She's allowed. No problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Speaking of your identity, you think you are who?
So that's complicated always. It depends who asks me. But I would like to believe myself as an
Of course,
Italian.
तुम 2 साल से यहाँ पे हो,
Because,
यहाँ
I
के
will never
सिटीजन
be an
होगी।
Indian to Indians, they will
2
never
साल से
consider me Indian for
दो
sure.
दो
Yeah.
साल की
Yeah.
एज
That I speak their language, that I grew up here, and that I can speak Hindi, Konkani,
Yeah.
and that I understand them. But because of the skin color, I don't think it'll ever be, she's Indian.
Yeah.
That's never going to be the case. I don't think so. And I've made my peace with it.
Yeah.
I consider myself Italo-Goan.
Italo-Goan.
Italo-Goan, yes.
Yeah.
Italian Goan.
When they meet you,
Yes.
they think you're tourist or
Yes, yes,
you're
for
like
sure.
just live here as a foreigner.
Yes,
But
yes,
then you
yes.
start speaking and then
Yes, yes,
they
yes.
probably get confused.
For sure, for sure. I guess when I start speaking, that's when everything changes. Even when we go on trains, when they talk about tourists, like,
Yeah.
and they don't know that I understand what they're saying, and then I reply in their language, and they're like, it's always
सब
fun.
जगह ऐसे ही
think she's
होता है,
tourist
it's not just
or-
India।
She lives in Goa. What do you think?
No?
क्या?
Oh, कहाँ रहा था मुझको? Why? Yes, there you go, see? I know.
Is it Hindi or the local?
Konkani.
Konkani.
Yes.
Okay. So how Konkani is good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So she's basically all her life in India.
Thank you so much. That's nice. Good to meet you too.
Good to meet you.
But the thing is, in India, there's not much. The concept of privacy is not very strong.
Yeah.
So they start asking a lot of questions. Like, when, everybody. I have to answer these questions to everybody.
Yeah,
Why are you in
questions.
India? What are you doing in India? What's your work? Where have you studied? I even asked people. Had people ask me, how much did you pay for your education in India as a foreigner? How much do you earn every day? Like
wow.
that's these kind of questions.
People are not shy to ask questions.
Not
Any
much.
type of questions.
No.
Yeah.
Because the concept of privacy is not very prominent in India.
And you went to school, to local school or international school?
So
Yeah.
for the first 3 years, I went to a local school.
You remember this first 3 years when 6, 7,
Yes,
8?
yes.
So probably all the rest they were Indians.
Indians,
at
yes,
school,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
your
yes,
schoolmates.
yes. Yes.
And you were white, Caucasian.
Yes.
So
That was fun.
how was it?
Oh, it was intense.
Intense.
Like, it was really difficult for me to become friends. I think mostly you need, it's difficult to find people that you can be yourself with, having a different mentality.
It was hard for you to get along well with
A
the
little
other kids.
bit, yes.
Yeah.
But for sure, I focused more on. Again, there was no other option. That was my life at the time.
Yeah.
So I didn't have any option, and I just made it work. I realized that till it's playing and everything, it's okay. Maybe deep conversations is not possible. Of course, growing up, that became more difficult.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It was not that bad at the end of the day, And there's also another aspect. I think there's 2 aspects of this. When they see a foreigner, sometimes they also want to do everything that they can to make sure that you're okay, and that you see the best of their country. That's also very important to remember.
बहुत है, हमें भी होता है।
Sometimes it's the opposite. Sometimes they're like, foreigner.
अच्छा पिक्चर लेके जाए भैया बंदा।
So it's both. India has always been 2 controversies. I think very extreme. One side amazing, the next side is strange.
देखो ये आप सिर्फ इंडिया के बारे में नहीं कह सकते, आप हर देश में जो है अगर आप उनकी तरह नहीं दिखते हो तो आपको वो एज एन आउटसाइडर ही देखते हैं, अनलेस एंड उनको पता हो कि आप आपके बारे में जानते हो और उन्हें पता हो कि बचपन से यहाँ रह रही हैं, बोलती हैं हमारी भाषा, तो वो डिफरेंट होता है क्योंकि आपके लुक्स की वजह से आपके जो है बहुत फर्क
देखिए
पड़
उसका
जाता है।
एक और रीज़न ये होता है, पहली बात तो ये है कि इनकी इंग्लिश को सुनते तो बोलते हैं शी इज़ इंडियन, राइट। इनकी इंग्लिश का एक्सेंट जो है प्योरली इंडियन है, बोलने का तरीका इंडियन है, सो इसमें लगता है ओके शी इज़ इंडियन। मगर वैसे बता रहा हूँ कि लाइफ में जैसे अगर मान लीजिए ऐसे देखने वाले लोग, अगर कोई पॉलिटिशियन होता है ऐसा, कोई एक्टर होता है ऐसा, कोई बहुत ही पॉपुलर बंदा होता, तो आपको लगता है अच्छा ऐसे लोग भी हमारी कंट्री में हैं। जैसे आप यूएस में देखते हैं, आपको यूएस में इंडियन जैसे लोग बड़े सारे दिखते हैं जो हायर पोजीशंस पे हैं।
हमें तो नॉर्मल लगता है अब।
करेक्ट, उनको भी नॉर्मल लगता है कि उन्होंने इतने सारे देख लिए इंडियन डिफरेंट पोजीशंस में,
तो अपनी फील होता
पॉलिटिशियंस हैं, एक्टर्स हैं, बहुत सारे हैं। सो यहाँ डाइवर्सिटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि या ऑफ कोर्स दैट पर्सन जो हमारे जैसा लिखता है दे कैन बी अमेरिकन।
हाँ, तो वो तो नॉर्मल है, पर इंडिया में
और अगर वो बंदा बिल्कुल ही एक्सेंट उसका वो ये तो समझ जाएंगे ही वाज बोर्न हियर एंड ही इज अमेरिकन, राइट। तो वो जज करते हैं आपके बोलने से रादर देन हाउ यू लुक, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डाइवर्सिटी बहुत ज़बरदस्त आ चुकी है। डाइवर्सिटी यूएसए में बहुत डाइवर्सिटी ज़बरदस्त आ चुकी है। एंड जैसे कुछ लोगों ने कहा है कि अमेरिका इज़ टर्निंग ब्राउन, यस दैट्स हाउ इट इज़। जो भी हुआ जो भी नहीं हुआ, मगर इंडिया में क्योंकि वो कॉकेशियंस को इतनी पॉपुलर जगहों पे नहीं देखते, दे हैव डिफ़िकल्टी एसोसिएटिंग कि ये इंसान भी इंडियन हो सकता है।
पर देख के अच्छा लग रहा है कि यू नो शी केम जब 2 साल की थी एंड यहीं पे उसको इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, उसको लग रहा है एवरीथिंग इज़ चीपर, स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, मतलब आप देखो तो कम पैसों में आपको वो सब चीज़ें इंजॉय कर सकते हो जो वो बता रही हैं कि इटली में भैया मेरे को एक कमरा ही लेना हो तो इतना महंगा पड़ेगा, तो मैं कहाँ घूमने फिरने जा सकती हूँ। तो कमाई के हिसाब से वहाँ पे आपको इंजॉयमेंट जो है बहुत महंगी पड़ती है। सेम विद यूएस है, अगर आप अच्छा नहीं कमा रहे हो तो आप नॉर्मल अच्छी लाइफ नहीं जी सको।
फाइनली मैं डेफिनेटली एक पॉइंट ये भी कहूँगा जो हमेशा बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि वहाँ लोगों ने फॉरेनर्स को एक तरीके से देखा है, उनको लगता है सारे फॉरेनर वैसे हैं, विच इज टोटली रॉन्ग। दे आर लाइक यू।
बिल्कुल नहीं तो हमें मुझे याद है
फॉरेनर्स आर लाइक यू, जैसे तुम्हें फीलिंग लगती है, जब तुम्हें जैसे कॉन्शियस होते हो वैसे ही एग्जैक्टली सेम ह्यूमन बीइंग है।
एग्जैक्टली
क्योंकि तुमने देखा है वहाँ पे फॉरेनर को एक तरीके से, जैसे एग्जांपल दिया था बिकनी, तो लगता है हर फॉरेनर ऐसा है, दैट इज टोटली रॉन्ग, दे आर लाइक रेगुलर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स।
कईयों की अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसी होती है कि दे आर ओपन, सो उनको वो नहीं पता होता कि भाई आप बिकनी कहीं पे भी कंसिडर हो सकते हैं इनअप्रोप्रिएट, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब उनको वो बहुत फ्री है या कुछ है, वो उनकी भी वही फीलिंग्स हैं, वही सब कुछ है जो आपके या हम में अंदर है।
और एक हॉलीवुड दिखाता है इस टाइप की पिक्चर जो रियलिटी में नहीं है।
और जो आप हॉलीवुड में इतना कुछ देखते हो वो रियल लाइफ में आपको वो सब नहीं दिखता है। इतना शौक लगता है जब यूएसए में अगर आओगे फिर आपको ये मूवी में क्या दिखाते थे। तो चलो यार आप भी शेयर करना अपने थॉट्स। चलते हैं, मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द। टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।
तो अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो ताकि आपको मेरा जब नया वीडियो मैं लगाऊं आपको उसके बारे में जल्दी से पता चल जाए।